how to recover your Instagram account or how to reactivate your account after deactivation. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can recover your Instagram account if you previously tried to deactivate or delete it. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let me just go ahead and show you by deactivating my current account, and I'll also show you how you can reactivate them. So I'm going to basically go to my profile page and I will tap on the edit profile button. As I tap on edit profile, I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom of the screen and select the option which says temporarily deactivate my account. I'll tap on it and I will simply confirm it by also entering my password. So go ahead and simply actually enter your password in order to confirm the changes. Once you've entered your password, I will tap on temporarily deactivate my account and I will tap on the yes button. And once you have successfully deactivated your account, I will show you a way on how you can retrieve or reactivate it back. So as you can see, the deactivation process is successfully complete and we have been logged out of Instagram. And in order to reactivate it again, there is no any type of hassle or such kind of issues like that. You would simply need to re-log in back into your account, and it may or may not ask you whether you want to log in back. So go ahead and simply enter your email address, your username, your phone number, or your password. Once you've done that, I will simply tap on the login button. So as you can see, I deactivated my Instagram account right in front of you, and I'm also now going to show you by reactivating it. Once you tap on the login button, it may or may not ask you, as I said earlier, to reactivate the account. If it did ask you, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't as well, then also your account is going to get reactivated. Now you can see we've been taken to the home interface of the Instagram website or app, and you can do a bunch of other things as well. And we have successfully restored our Instagram account. This was the way on how you could very easily reactivate your Instagram account or recover your account after deactivation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.